Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer, and today we are here because it is a Stitch Fix day. For those of you who don't know, Stitch Fix is a clothing subscription service where you fill out a style profile. You are paired with a stylist who chooses items to send to you in the box. You get 5 items, and those items can be clothing, shoes, jewelry, accessories, whatever you want. You can tell them what kind of items you want sent to you and what you don't want sent to you. You do pay a $20 styling fee to have that box styled for you, but if you keep anything in the box, then that $20 does get applied to what you keep. It's very convenient because shipping is free both ways. You try it on in the comfort of your own home, and anything that you don't like, you just put it in the prepaid mailer bag and send it back. I have mine set up to get it monthly, but you can choose to have it done bi-monthly, seasonally. You can have it sent to you on demand. We're gonna get into my box to see what I got this month. The good thing is when you open up your box, you do get those directions on what to do next. Checkout is online. It's really simple. Just put anything that you're not going to keep in that prepaid mailer bag. And here is that bag that I'm talking about. I'm going to set that over here. You get an envelope. Inside the envelope, you get your style card, and it says, "Oh, hello." And it gives you style suggestions on how to pair the items that you get in the box. And you also get a note from your stylist, so I'm going to read that real quick. It says, "Hey there, Jennifer. I hope you are having a wonderful week, and today's fix is a cherry on top. Can you believe that you're already going to be on summer break?" Yes, I'm thrilled to be on summer vacation. Where does the time go? Your fix came in just enough time, as I will be on vacation next week. I have packed your box full of stylish pieces to keep you chic and sleek in the upcoming summer heat. Ask and you shall receive. I found you an amazing pair of Bermuda shorts by Liverpool. Bermuda shorts are universally flattering, ageless, and always stylish. Plus, they're a 9-inch inseam for your long legs. Also, they have an elastic waist for the comfort that we all crave. Let me know your thoughts. White is a fantastic neutralizer for all the bright tops I've included for you today. I hope you love your continued summer selections and hope the price points are what you had in mind. XX Kara." I've had Kara since I started. She does a fantastic job. She does a really good job of listening to my requests and trying to respond to them, because I did ask for a pair of long shorts. I did ask for a possible maxi dress or a maxi skirt, and she's put one in here, so I'm really thrilled with that. You also get your price invoice sheet, and so I'm going to put that over here. I did get an extra this month. I've been trying to see if I like any of their extra. This month I just picked just a pair of underwear, nothing exciting. And they do give you this like little return bag. That's pretty nice. And it just looks like this. Just a pair of cute little thong underwear. So we'll see if I like those. I'm gonna set that to the side. And here is my bundle. I see some red. I see those Bermuda shorts that she's talking about. And on this side, it looks like that. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, the first thing we have is the Earnest Swing Knit Top by Loveappella, and it's in navy, and it looks like this. It's navy with a really pretty floral. I love florals. Some people don't like them. I like floral, but this is really cute. It's really soft. It's got a long length. So yeah, I think I'm gonna like that one. Next is, looks like the maxi dress. It says Britton Catalina knit maxi dress in red. And it looks like this. It's got some floral on it. I love red. Red's one of my favorite colors. It has a cross detail in the back. Let's see. It has some slits on the side. That's really cute. And it does have some bunching in the waist. So we'll try that on. It's really super soft. I like that. Next is, it says Magnolia Grace Nacole tie neck knit top in cobalt. And it's kind of soft and silky. And it looks like this. It looks like a cute little top for maybe the 4th of July. It's coming up, so that's cute. It's got, it has a little tie in the front right here. And it does have like this elastic bottom right here. I'm not always a big fan of that, so we'll see what I think about that, but that feels really soft. The next item is the Skies Are Blue Airika woven lace front knit top in fuchsia. I love hot pink. Reds and pinks are probably my favorite colors. And it looks like that. Let me get the tag out of the way. It's got some kind of lace detail going down the center of the top. It's just got a plain back. It's very soft knit material. It does look a little short, but we shall see. I kind of like my shirts to be a little bit longer. I'm 5'10" tall, and I just like longer length shirts and things like that. And then last are the Bermuda shorts. They are and it says it's a Stitch Fix exclusive. They are the Liverpool Janet Bermuda short in white. And they look a little bit big, maybe. I'm currently kind of in between sizes. And I'm trying to lose a little bit of weight, but they do have a cuff. They have that band on the top, which is good for kind of keeping you sucked in. Pockets on the back. Yeah. Now, I don't wear a lot of shorts, but I did request her to send me some shorts because I'm trying to branch out a little bit. I usually wear a lot of capris and cropped pants in the summertime, but I guess now we're on to the try-on. All right, guys, I am back with the first two pieces from the box. I have on the Liverpool Janet Bermuda short in white and the Loveappella Earnest swing knit top in navy, and we'll start with the shorts. The shorts are nice. They have that nice band at the top that kind of keeps you sucked in. They are a good length. I don't normally wear shorts because I don't like the way the back of my legs look, so sometimes shorts are just way too short for my extremely long legs, so this is a good length. They have the cuff. It is stitched so you can't undo it. It's a thick material because you can't see through and see your underwear through the back, which is good. They are super stretchy, so I think they're going to wash up nice and wear really well. So I think I like those. The top, this is the Loveappella top. It is navy. It's really comfortable. I like the floral print. It does hang kind of longer, long enough to cover my bottom, which is good. So I really like that. It's stretchy, it's soft, it's thin, so it's not going to be super hot. So yeah. What do you guys think? 2 thumbs up? I think I like it. So on to the next top. All right, so I am back with the second top. This is the Magnolia Grace Nacole tie neck knit top in cobalt. It's very soft and silky and smooth. It does have the tie here. Here's a close-up of the print. It's like can't tell if it's red, blue, and white, or like a really dark pink, blue, and white, but it does have this elastic band. This is the one thing I'm kind of not sure about because I'm not a big fan of things that do that. And it hips like that on the back. So yeah, it's cute, but I'm just not sure. I kind of like my tops to be a little bit longer. But I do like it, so I'm not exactly sure how I feel about it. So can you guys in the comments tell me what you think about this top? I like the little keyhole in the front with the tie. It's got a nice soft feeling to it. It's thin, it's gonna be comfortable and cool, so yeah. I think I like it, I'm just not completely sure. So give me your feedback, please. So here is that third top. This is the Skies Are Blue Airika woven lace front knit top in fuchsia, and it has this little detailing going down the middle. It's really cute. I like the color. The one thing I was concerned about was the length. So tell me what you guys think. It does hit about the middle of my behind and right here. It's not longer or shorter, it's about the same. Armholes are good. Material is really soft. I think it's cute. What do you guys think? Is it too short? Do I need to cover up a little bit more, go a little further down? What do you guys think? Overall, I think it's really cute. Yeah. All right, the last thing I have to try on is that maxi dress. I'll be right back. All right, so I'm back with this maxi dress, and this is the 9 Britton Catalina knit maxi dress in red. And this is what it looks like. Here's an up close of the print. It's just got some colorful florals, purples and oranges. It has this V coming down like this. It is bra friendly, which is nice. It has the cinching or the gathering at the waist, which sometimes I worry that makes me look like I'm pregnant, and I'm not trying to look like I'm pregnant. I'm gonna back up. It does have like these slips on the sides like this, which is really cute. It is plenty long enough because it touches the bottom of my foot, which is always a challenge with my height. And then it has this cute little cross detail in the back. Very, very soft. Really think it's cute. Perfect little summer dress. I just don't know, does it look all right in this area? I like to cover that up as much as possible. I am working on it, but it's a work in progress. So what do you guys think? Does it look okay? All right, I'm gonna get dressed and then we'll get back together to do a recap and talk about prices. All right, guys, so we're back to do a recap and to talk about some prices. And I think overall Kara did an excellent job on this box. Basically, I asked for some summer pieces since I finished up teaching this week, and she did a good job with that. She gave me some cute tops, a dress, and a pair of shorts that I requested. So let's go ahead and talk about the prices. The first thing that we have on the list is this Magnolia Grace Nacole tie neck knit top in cobalt, and that is this top right here. The only thing I wasn't sure about was that elastic bottom. I kind of wish it wasn't there, but I mean, tell me what you guys think. Did it look okay on me? It has that cute little tie on the front, and this top is $44. I think it would be really cute for the 4th of July, so I'm looking at it for that. Next was the Loveappella Earnest swing knit top in navy, and that was this one with the really pretty floral print. I really liked it because it was long, and it is $44 as well. Then we had the Liverpool Janet Bermuda short in white, and those were these shorts. A little nervous about white, but I think they're really pretty, so I'll try to take good care of them. Really cute, good length for me. This would be the first pair of shorts I have in my wardrobe. And those I know are going to be a little bit more pricey because they're Liverpool and they're $58. And then the maxi dress, that's this one. And it's by 9 Britton. It's the Catalina knit maxi dress in red, and it's $58, which I don't think is too bad for a maxi dress. They tend to be a little more pricey. It's really soft and comfortable, so I really like that one. And then the last item was the Skies Are Blue Airika woven lace front knit top in fuchsia. And this was really soft and comfortable. It had that cute little lace detail in the front, and it's really soft. And it is $48. So the stylist pick subtotal was $252. If you buy all 5, you get a 25% discount, and that would take off $63. You do add $4 back on for the Everyday by Stitch Fix, the pair of underwear that I put in there as an extra. And so my order subtotal with the extra would be $193, which I think is pretty good. I try to keep my prices to $200 and below. I'm going to put my Stitch Fix referral link in the description box below. If you click on that referral link, it will give you $25 to put towards your first box, and it will also give me $25 for myself. And so it would be a win-win. Don't forget to tell me what items you liked and what you didn't like. Give me some honest feedback so I know a little bit more about some of those things that I was in question on. And I guess until next time, bye guys.